Next, we will demonstrate the chevron stitch. I am using 6 strands of floss, color number 9 for the embroidery. Bring the needle through at this position in the lower left. Bring the needle down to the right of it. Do not pull the floss tight. Then bring the needle through at the center position. Bring the needle down at the center of the top right. Bring the needle through from its left side. Bring the needle down on the right side. Do not pull the floss tight. Bring the needle through at the center position. Bring the needle through the line under the loop. This way, it will connect with the line behind. Let's demonstrate it one more time. Bring the needle through from the left side. Bring the needle down from the right side. Be careful not to pull the floss too tight. Bring the needle through the center position. Bring the needle through. Continue to repeat the previous steps to embroider. Let it form a continuous V shape. When embroidering, keep the stitch length consistent. The pattern will be neat and beautiful. Bring the needle down at the end position for the last stitch. The chevron stitch is now complete. Let's take a look at its effect.